Ready to ditch those sky-high transfer fees and send money directly to a bank account overseas with ease? First things first, if you don't already have one, you'll need to create a Remitly account. Download the Remitly app from your app store or head over to Remitly.com, click the sign up button and follow the straightforward prompts to register, which includes providing your email address, creating a secure password, and verifying your phone number. Now that you're all set up, let's get that money moving. Tap the prominent Send Money button you see here. This kicks off the transfer process. You'll be prompted to enter the country you're sending money to and the amount you want to transfer. Carefully check the exchange rate and any associated fees displayed before proceeding. Next, you will need to add your recipient's information, including their full name, address, and importantly, their bank details. Make sure you double-check the accuracy of the bank account number, the bank name, and any routing or SWIFT codes needed, as mistakes can cause delays or even prevent the transfer from going through. Select Bank Deposit as your delivery option. Remitly will securely transmit the funds directly to the recipient's bank account. After you've confirmed all the details, it's time to choose your payment method. This could be via your debit card, credit card, or even directly from your bank account. Finally, review all the information displayed on the screen. Ensuring everything is correct, then click the Confirm or Send button to initiate the transfer. You'll receive a confirmation message with a transaction number and an estimated delivery date. You and your recipient can track the transfer's progress directly within the Remitly app, and that's all there is to it. Now you know how easy and safe it is to send money internationally straight into a bank account using Remitly.